now that we have our funnel created, we need to add it to a subdomain so that way other people around the city can access it online. And the way we do this is you have to have a domain first. And the one we have is sonic-solutions.com, which is the one we're using. Right. It's also connected to Stripe and such. So we're going to use this one. And we're going to create a subdomain, which means you're going to put name dot your actual domain. So I just came up with add sales because then we could repeat this domain for other restaurants as well. We don't want to necessarily call it just Fuzzies because then we're locked into just Fuzzies. Okay, so what we do in HighLevel is go to your sub account, go over to settings and then domains and URL redirects. That'll bring you here. Click on domains up here and then put in add sales dot and then hit continue. And that's going to give you add record manually the DNS keys records that you have to put into your registrar. And that just means GoDaddy in this case, which is where I bought this domain from. So it's a CNAME record. Host needs to be this. So we just copy and then the required value is going to be this. So one by one, we go over to GoDaddy, go to your domain. Under DNS, there's add new record. It's a CNAME record. I'm going to plug this in, add sales. The other one was Site Ludicrous. That's basically just HighLevel domain. And then hit save. So now what should happen is anybody on the internet that types in add sales .sonic-solutions.com is going to end up going to that ludicrous domain 974. GoDaddy putting in some security. That's nice. And success. So now that subdomain is available. Needs to make sure this record is online and advertised. That was good. And so for the funnel, which is this, I'm on the home page. Oh, 404 errors. That's fine too. Goes straight to the home page. Funnel should work. Proceed to finish. We're saying host this funnel that we created at the subdomain called addsales.sonic-solutions.com. Like this. Beautiful. Okay, so I think we're good. No, it's not up yet. Oh, SSL. We need secure socket layer. That should be given automatic. Why does this transfer in? Oh, Sonic-Solutions. Maybe some other day. Yeah, no, not today. Not today. Just manage. It says all set. I know SSL can take a second. All of the stuff, it has to get propagated all the way through the internet. So sometimes it can take some time. As long as we're doing the right steps, it should be fine. Hey, there we go. Okay, so home retreat. Well, I know it worked. Here we go. Fuzzies Taco Shop. So there you go. addsales.sonic-solutions.com is our link that we're going to start putting into emails and texts, sending them to people, saying, hey, check it out. You can come here. And remember, we're targeting our warm leads. So they should already be familiar with all of it. They should remember the restaurant. They should remember this bulletin board that they stuck there. Yeah. Look at some of these. They're like in the back. I can't remember one time I went to a bulletin board and found a service to call. Maybe it works. I don't know. But hey, digital. And then I put these two like nicer pictures in the middle, kind of showing close up the detail of what they can expect, right? Adds up on the TVs, but then also in your face, detailed. Oh, I just thought of something, but that's fine. Boom. Oh, claim offer. Let's see if this checks out. Yeah. Great. Fill up your information. Oh, I have to be check. Okay, that's good. Input validation. Yeah, I thought I did. All right, that's the name. Russian Federation. There we go. Okay, and then you can pick which one you want. You could buy both. Okay, so you want to buy that. Then you put your card. You get Cash App, Klarna, Amazon Pay. We accept it all, no problem. Complete order. That'll check you out. We still got Fuzzies going. And that'll go to your thank you page afterwards when you check out. Got too easy. Okay, so what we have to do next is take all of our emails within our CRM and then send them this link, with a nice HTML drafted email saying, please buy ad space. So I think what I'm going to use, let me see if in HighLevel, can we send HTML emails? If not, I'll use SendGrid, which I already have set up. So let's go to contacts. These are the contacts we populated here. And I need ones that have emails. But these emails, I don't know, just because we haven't done any email validation on them. So I'm not too sure if we should be doing these, because if the bounce rate is too high, then that'll impact our reputation, our domain reputation. But let's see. Can we at least do HTML? So I want to select all of them. Send email. Oh, code. Okay. Yeah, we can. Okay. That's nice. Send email to following contacts, but it's not going to be all of them. It's going to be just the ones with an email. So let's put them in order. Let's select. Oh, these are quite a lot of emails. Oh, okay. I wasn't expecting that many. You have 153 records. Okay, that's a good amount. Because even out of 153, if we could convert one or two, that's still a great return. For me, I think we could probably convert a lot more. Because we're going to email them in 3 batches. The first email is going to be a short and sweet email with the link. The second one's going to be a little bit longer with a little bit more detail, maybe some pictures. And then the third one is going to be really long, give them all sorts of stats and metrics and benefits. And then at the same time, we're also going to send them text messages. First one, again, kind of short. Second one, follow-up. Third one, hey, it's not too late, right? Urgency, all of that kind of stuff. So if we hit them over and over again, and then in our pipeline, we qualify them by keeping track of which ones we contacted, which ones we called, which ones we set up a meeting with, eventually, we want to get as many of them as we can through that pipeline. So let's send this email. Let's have Gemini create a nice HTML email for us. So what we're going to do is work on the email capability that Go HighLevel has. So we have to add our domain to this Fuzzy's taco shop. Then we'll create an email and actually send it and see if it all works and how it looks. So what you do is you come over to your subdomain, email services, and then give it a subdomain. So this part is my domain already that I've registered with GoDaddy. And the subdomain part is the first part with a dot. So I just chose marketing. Okay, let's go look for that domain. Okay, so what I need to do is verify the domain and make sure that these DNS records are added over on GoDaddy, because when it needs to send an email, the email is going to go from this Go HighLevel platform to email marketing destination, which is going to be a subdomain to sonic-solutions.com, and then it's going to tell the systems to route the email properly, and then responses will also need to come back and be delivered to probably the Go HighLevel communication section. Okay, yeah, that'll work. So let's grab these one by one. To text record, can I copy this? Ooh, dangerous. I have to manually copy it. So text record, so go over to GoDaddy, under my domain, go under DNS. Daddy recently moved all of things around to make it easier for the customer. I am the customer, and it's not easy. So let's go over here, grab this one, and hit save. Yep, continue. I need to verify me. Okay, that's nice. Let's add the rest of them, which is another text record. I don't know what this copy button does exactly. Does it take all of them? I suppose we could test it. Let's copy it, see what happens. We should adjust the value. Yeah, that works. A few more to go. Email, which is a CNAME. So we're going to do the drop down, look for CNAME, and then paste it there. Now we can copy. The more you can copy, the better. I have to hit save also, otherwise it won't let me add a new record. So we have to go through this. Right. We're at email. Oh, that was email marketing. Now we're going to go to marketing, which is an MX record for mail. Ooh, we need priority and then value. This is priority 10. That's good. Is it 10 or 2? I don't know. Binary was the first MX record. Then we're going to do another one. Why are we doing the same thing twice? Oh, because MXB. MX record for priority 10. Yeah. MX. And this is why you copy and paste also. So you're not trying to like hand jam it yourself. I got it. Okay, one more. You gotta make sure you get the underscore, text message, text record, and down this with the semicolon. Okay, that should set up the domains nicely. That allows email to flow. And now we can verify domain. Some of them will come through. Yep, this one just got entered. Now we're just waiting for SSL to populate. Okay, we don't need a dedicated IP right now. We'll give it a minute. It usually takes, okay, all these are verified. See, they came through and we got SSL. Great. So as long as you copy the records correctly, just domain name service, DNS, it's going to work. Sometimes it just takes a little bit longer. Now that we have email domains, now let's go over here and make our email. So we'll come down to marketing and then email marketing and then template and create a template. So I think I want code editor. So I just want to be able to paste HTML code. And as long as it looks nice and it's clickable, we should be good. This is what the email looks like right now. And this is the code that makes the email look like it is. This is doable. Okay. Let's see what Gemini comes up with now. Yeah. Okay. So let's paste all of it in here, and that changes it to Fuzzy's Taco Shop. Nice. You're invited. Go digital at Fuzzy's. And then hi, first name. We noticed your business card on our old bulletin board, a spot that sadly often got lost in the clutter. Okay, good. Major. Before and after, we're going to put pictures in the middle. Why go digital? Got a captive audience, modern timeline impact, hyper-local engaged. Perfect. Ready to grab a premium. You're going to have questions. You can set up a call. We just put Fuzzy's address, easy enough, powered by us, and then they can unsubscribe. So this is a legit email. I like it. So I want to give it pictures before and after. I think that'll go really well. Okay, let's grab some pictures. So that was inside our website already. can also get them from settings, I'm pretty sure. Right, this picture is what we need. Click on that, grab a copy, bring it back to the HTML. And this is where we need to find the placeholder for this. Local businesses connect with our community. Okay, here it is. Oh, there we go. Image source. Didn't work this time. Okay. Oh, because I haven't copied it. That's weird. When did I copy it? Ah, okay. I thought I hit Control-C, but I guess I didn't. So let's put that back in here. There we go. Is that correct? Oh, no. We need a quote. There we go. And picture is here. So we need to do that. Say the future. Yeah. So this, you can change the text. We just want to say, this is where your business card was found. Let's say much sad, upside down smiley face. Let's do, yeah, much sad. Could get rid of the, yeah, there we go. Got a nice little smiley face. Sad face. This is where your business card was found. Much sad. And then I want to put, this is where we want to put your business card. So I should be able to copy. It's going to be dangerous. TR, and you got to make sure it's lined out right under that. There we go. So now in here, we can say, this is where we want to put your card. This is where your ad belongs. There we go. Like that. We noticed your business card on our old bulletin board, a spot that sadly often got lost in the putter. And now we need to get the after picture while we wait for the emoji to come through. Yeah, this will work. Because this goes straight to the close. Copy that. Find the next one. Okay, there you go. This is where your ad belongs. Yay. And yep, you got people pointing up to the screen. That should be good. Let's find emojis. Sad. Yeah, nice. And then happy. You got sad and happy. Okay, when I go digital, let's look for some M dashes. Yep, font. Now we've seen professional officers of residence. Yeah, this is great. And then ready to grab. That was the link to our subdomain. So let's make sure we got this right. So it's exactly where they would go if they clicked on link. Great. This is what we want. And come down here, claim an offer, or book a call, or email us. Okay, so hit save on this as a template. Also need to confirm if this is how the variable works. Contact first. Okay, but let's say save for now. And let's give it a name too. And let's just go with 1. So we know if we ever come back and we update it, we can have version control. Okay, pretty straightforward. So email looks good. I'm actually pretty impressed with that one. Let's try to send it and see, 1, does it land in our inbox? And then does it look good? Now that we have the email template, we can now start using this one. So let's go over to contacts, and we're going to send ourselves an email and see if that works. So click next to your account and then go to send email and then just give it a name, add invite. And then we can pick the template that we just created. From main on, that should work. Wonder how our subdomain comes into play here. Okay, let's give it a subject. Our business card, a huge digital upgrade at Fuzzy's Taco Shop. Business card found. I want to do something like that. Okay. We'll do send all at once. That's fine. It's just one email address. And then hit send. One contacts. Yes. Okay. Check the progress. Processing. Got an email. Okay. The logo didn't show up. That's because we are still borderlines and the pictures didn't show up. Yeah. The thing is, this is how a potential customer is going to see our email. I don't know if I would take this email seriously. Like, in compared to Sarasota Pro. All right. This is what an email should look like. That's sent from SendGrid. Very clean, organized. I sent this earlier for Sarasota Pro. And then this one is go HighLevel. See the difference? So if I was to hit trust sender, then it's not. But you have to be able to hit trust sender. Oh, let's do on behalf of Fuzzies instead of Sonic K. That might help a little bit if somebody sees it. So go back to contacts, click on this, email, we're just gonna say Fuzzies. There's a template from Fuzzy. And what if I just say Fuzzy? Oh, I see. If I do, and then we'll still keep our subject. We are national. Let's put this earlier. Fuzzy's touch. I want that recognition to be earlier. Your business card. So personalizing it. Found at Fuzzy's. Familiarization. And then what are we doing? So hopefully they would open that. Let's cut. Okay, send that email. And then let's see how it shows up. Confirm. Oh, it already went. Okay. There you go. Ooh, way better. Already way better. It says fuzzies and then fuzzies within the name. Fuzzy within the name. Okay, it's getting better. Fuzz at solutions. Okay, still with the trust sender problem. Okay, well, if we do that, then it looks better. Okay, at least it says Fuzzy's Taco Shop, all that kind of stuff. Your business card found at Fuzzy's Taco Shop. We are making it digital. And then this. Hit send. Make it better. Go digital. Click on this. And it opens this. Beautiful. Okay, I think we're ready. We're going to send this. Let's go here. Now we go to contacts, smart list, and we're emailing everybody with an email address. Click that, then email, and now we make it as fuzzies as possible. Fuzzies. Remote template from name. Shop at, and then your business card found at Fuzzy's Taco Shop. We are making it digital. We're going to do send all at once. That's it. If you want to do like a drip mode, or at a date, if you wanted them to come out like 8 in the morning, which is when everyone reads their emails, you could try that. And then you can also do drip if you want to have low trickle, but let's just hit fire. And everybody left their business card. So we're simply responding to their business card, and we got our first email because we were on the list. Fuzzy's Taco Shop. Ooh, way better. Already way better. We still got the trust sender, but email is relatively decent. And hopefully 180 people or so are getting this email and clicking on it, coming over to our funnel, and then making a purchase. If you want all of this stuff, by the way, you can get it. I have my own Skool community as well. Just join me there. It'll be in the description, and I'll give you the entire template so you can run your own digital ad company.